Hello everyone, for this week's assignment we are going to study multiplication. Multiplication is when you take one number and add it together a number of times. Multiplication kan ti chuan mizo chong chuan puntir kan ti chin kha ani a number pa nga number pakhat voi engemaw zat kan bel non khan kha multiplication chu ani a. The basic idea of multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated addition kan ti chuan nachina kan soi ang khanin number pa ngai kan bel non kan ti non khami kha a kan repeat khan kha repeated addition chu ani mai he example a kan soi ang hianin panga hi 4 in 5 multiplied by 4 lo puntir don ta ila repeated addition mang chuanin panga kha voili kan bel chuan som ni alo chhuaka hei wang hianin i multiplication ti hi mizo tong chuan mun English words a times kan ti chin khani 5 multiplied by 4 equal to 20 chu i kan English a kan chhiar dan tu kan soi dan tu ra chuanin 5 times 4 equals to 20 kan ti don ani multiplication table kan soya 2 2s are 2 3s are ti ringot lo khanin 2 times 1 equals to 1 2 equals to 2 2 times 2 equals to 4 2 times 3 equals to 6 ti ang khanin chhiar chin tur ani khatianga kan chhiar khan ani dan tur ang tak zo khani a mizo chonga kan soya pahnih hmun khat pahnih hmun hnih pali kan ti ang nen khanin a in ang che ani example lo anila repeated addition hanga multiplication kan chaw thei dan tur. How can you find the total number of objects in equal groups? As we can see here, there are 4 bags. In each bag there are 3 balls. Bag pathuma hianin ball, bag paliya hianin ball pathum cheu a oma. Chuanin hei hi ball kha engza nge ti kan chu dawn ani. Bag paliya oma ni ti kan hmu a tak hian ball pathum cheu a oma chu repeated addition mangin 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 chu 12 pathum lir kha voili kan bel chuanin som pahnih alo chhuaka 12 chuanin chu 3 group of balls group zat into multiplied by multiplied by number of balls in each group equal to total balls group of balls group zat kha pali multiplied by 3 ball group pakhat a awm zat zel bag pakhat a awm zat zel that is equal to 12 3 kha voili a group awm zat zel kha 4 times 3 equals to 12 kati theita ani katyang mangkhan repeated addition mangkhan multiplication kha all samte in kan chhut thei ani next example lo en le donila ball kan hmu a ball hi pahnih te in in kopa group thuma a in chena chuanin chu 2 plus 2 plus 2 2 voi thum a awmna chan chu group thuma in chen wang ani a bel khawm chu 6 ani chuanin chumi chu group awm zat 3 times 2 equal to 6 pangpar hi lo enila pangpara hianin there are 5 flowers each having 4 petals each pangpar mal pali a oma chuan pangpar panga oma pangpar panga 5 takhanin 4 petals 5 times 4 equals to 20